Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Call 911.
Should I call emergency services?
Yes.
Calling emergency services.
I was just hit and the guy is running from me.
Okay, where are you?
I'm heading towards South Holland on 170th.
Okay, so you need to stop if you and your officer come out.
He took off. I'm chasing him.
Okay, stop chasing him.
Okay.
Okay, come back to Lansing.
Just take my right away, why don't you? I'm going 5 miles an hour, dickhead! You jackass. Suck it. What in the is going on?
Somebody lost a trailer. Wow. Wow. That's a bad day.
Great. That's great, dude. Tommy.
Look where you're going!
Hell yeah.
Oh shit. God damn. Opinions. We have to start talking fearlessly. We have to start being more like Donald Trump and talking without being afraid of what we're going to be called. We don't need to hate one another. We really don't.
eyes.
Yeah, look at you, asshole. Asshole.
Step forward for synchronization. Please select an item to be printed. You do not have access to that item.
We don't want your license plate, because you're an asshole.
127 credits. Please select.
Nice going, asshole. To the left. Holy shit! Jesus Christ! Columbus City Schools.
Turn right on Watchapel Road.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.